Right, just a bit of an update on the engine. So I made a couple of flanges on a spacer, so that will go onto there. A couple of bolts, hold it on, and then the spacer I'm going to weld onto there, and then that will go onto there, and then the carburettor will sit onto there, onto that way. That will go onto there, and I'm going to cut a hole into there for the crankcase breather, and thread that and tap that into that. I'm going to put a little plate on the inside so it doesn't want to do it on. And that is pretty much going to be it. Ready for the torque converter then to drop into the go-kart. And this is the go-kart quad tractor. It's all the bodywork. So like I said, I'm going to remove this, mount it sideways, put the engine on, run it down to a sprocket, put the brakes on, and then try and get it running in a couple of days or so.